Hello, this is Derek Cunningham, known as Jamaica Income Guy, back again today with our next video. This video is about how you can go about making money online for free. So if you are living in Jamaica and you are seeking for ways how to make money online for free, I can show you a company that will allow you to earn money with them, and you can get started for free. It doesn't cost you a penny to get started with this company, and this company named Clickbank. So if you are from Jamaica and you are wondering how can you make money online for free from Jamaica, you need to go to www.clickbank.com and create an account. I'm going to show you how you can choose a Clickbank product and how you can promote that product step by step. So when you go to Clickbank and create your account, what you need to do next, log into your account. When you log into your account, what you need to do next is go to Marketplace. As you can see, I'm right here on my new Clickbank account. As you can see, go right here to Marketplace. In the Clickbank Marketplace, whole heap of product did in the Clickbank Marketplace where you can choose and promote. So when you go in the Clickbank Marketplace, right over on your left hand side, you have a category. See it? You see a list of product where you can choose from in the category. Alright, no, you see a list of categories. Sorry, you see a list of categories where you can choose to go in to get a product. Alright, for instance, I'm going to choose the e-business and e-marketing category to find a product to promote from Clickbank. And remember, this free to sign up with and to get a product to promote, to make money online from Jamaica. Free. So sign up for Clickbank by going to www.clickbank.com and make sure you go to the marketplace and choose a product, choose a category, and pick a product from the category that you want. Choose a category, choose a product from the category that you want to promote. So me in the e-business and e-marketing category right now at the moment. So you can see in the Clickbank Marketplace, e-business and e-marketing category, you can see a list of products you can promote. You understand? A list of products. A list of products. You understand? Yeah. So as you can see, so for instance, you want to promote the product here, the bulletproof profit. Then, alright, I don't know Jamaican creed. They love make big sales and love make big money, isn't it? So you don't know whether it's go hard and done. Because some pretty tough. So for instance, you want to sell a product, and when you sell a product, you make all over $400. Which is, if you sell a product, you make all, you have to make from the product $465.39. So for you promote the product, the whole thing you need to do right now, click promote. See, when I click promote, you need to get the link to that product here. So you can send people to the link, and if they make a purchase, you will get 50% of the commission there, which is this. So if you check that 50% of this, you must know say the product could be for just about $1,000. Yeah. So when I sell it at this, I'll get $465. Yeah. So when I hit this, what you need to do next, you want to keep track of who your seller come from. And you see the tracking ID box right there, so you can put the name of who you go find the people to come check out the product, which is the link we have created. So for instance, at the given moment, you're on YouTube, you know I watch my video, and suppose you have to promote the product you find YouTube, you want to put in YouTube. You want to put in YouTube. So if you make a sale, you know say a YouTube the seller come from. You understand? From the product here. So what you going to do next? Right here where you say generate a link, click on that. So when you click on that now, see below generate at link, you are going to see generate at links. Underneath that you are going to see a link. You see where part it start at HTTPS, you will copy that was straight at the end of YouTube. You understand? I'm going to show you how to get traffic from YouTube promoting the link here, step by step. So if you're a total beginner and you wonder how to get traffic now, I'm going to show you how to get traffic from YouTube. You don't know no, YouTube is the second #1 search engine website on the internet. So if you look traffic mean like people coming to come check out the offer your product, which is the same product like this way I try to promote. You can use YouTube. YouTube are the second top traffic source on the internet. So YouTube very powerful. You understand? So what you need to do now, see, if you now have a YouTube channel, you can create a free YouTube channel. If you have a Gmail account, man, you can just know say yeah, just go youtube.com and it will automatically sign in the Gmail account there to your YouTube channel. So when you're on YouTube, you know, you see the link here, can show you what you are going to do with the link before you start with nothing else. But just want to know, say, I show you how to get a product, how to find your link, and how to track it to know where the seller come from. I can show you how to upload video without creating your own video. Because you could have wonder, I tell you about YouTube and you could I don't know how to create video and anything, and you never done that yet. I'm going to show you how to find video and how to download video and upload back video without you get copyright flag, or without you have to do your own video. So when you go on YouTube, yeah, when you have a Gmail, You just want to type in YouTube and it will automatically load in a YouTube account with the Gmail account where you sign in with. So when you on your YouTube account, you go so. You see the same product from Clickbank, you copy name, go in a YouTube, hit search. No, yeah, and copy and paste it right there. So yeah, copy and paste it right there so and hit search. When I hit search now, I'm going to show you how to find video for that product here, where you can download back and upload back and put a link under it and make sale. So what you need to do, when you copy the Clickbank product name, you need to paste it in the search bar and hit search, and then you see right there so where it says filter, you want to click on that. You see right here so where it says create a commons, you want to click right there so. Create a command, I will allow you to download other people's video and not get copyright fee, and it will allow you to build a YouTube channel and make sale from Clickbank if you just follow that step by step. If you don't know how to do your own video, just follow that same step by step that I try to lay down. You follow it and upload the video them same way, and make crazy money in a Clickbank for free, step by step. So what you can do is the whole of them video, you say John Cristani at the product this is that see it as a tell about super affiliate system, system 2009 super affiliate system. So you see all them video, you can download the whole of them video and upload it back and put a link under it and get traffic to your Clickbank product. You understand? And you make money. I saw it thing go. So if you follow that step by step, or me tell you how to do it. This is a free step. You know if you search no more way how to make money online for free. This can help you getting started for free. And you got me guarantee if you follow it as how me laid it out for you, you can make sale and you will make sale. You understand? Because what I try to show you, I'm a Clickbank account this. A new Clickbank account. And a video I upload like this. Like creating a comma, yeah. Video I upload like them there. I'm see sale coming on my Clickbank account. So I'm now gonna tell you if you do something what me not do and prove and test and know say it will work. You understand? You say anything me tell you if you do, or something me test and know say it will work. That's why I tell you if you do it. So if you do exactly what I tell you if you do, you are going to see like them and more. And remember, you know, it's a big product you have to promote. And the product they allow you to earn over $400. So if you do a couple of them video there and couple of them video they get there, don't surprise to see what you da make. So for instance, you're uploading 4 of them video there, and 2 of your video then get there. And you make even 5 sales after 1 of the video then. 5 of them sales, it will make you feel nice. So I'm going to tell them, man, just follow the step by step process, man. It's free. If you do that, remember, it's free. So if you can muggle that and do that, you make money in a Clickbank, step by step, day by day. You continue to do it, every month you're going to see money coming in without need even have to do it. You understand? So if you really look for a way how to make money online for free from Jamaica, get started with Clickbank. Clickbank allow people to get signed up for free and promote them product for free, and you can make money for free just by using Clickbank from Jamaica. You understand? Have a nice day. And hold on there. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I always do video like this, how you can go about making money online from home in Jamaica, or it doesn't matter where you are in this world. I always putting up content like this, how to make money online. Okay, so remember, subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. That's if when I upload video, you can be the first one to get it. Okay, have a nice day.